Hello, so for problem 12, we want to make this shape here, this design here. So first I've gone ahead and imported all the necessary steps. So turtle, I've named my turtle bean, the color of the turtle, the background size, the pen size, and then of course the shape of the dot or the print. So we can get this turtle here. So the shape is turtle. So before I start my for loop, I first want to create the center point here. So I've pen up so that it doesn't create any lines, and I've just stamped the image of the turtle there. So that's what this does. This creates this middle loop here. And then I start my for loop, and I want 12 times because there's 12 hours. So first, starting here, my turtle is going to go forward 100. I'm going to put the pen down, and then I'm going to go forward 10, and then I'm going to bring the pen up, which is going to create this little mark here. I'm then going to go forward 20, which creates this space here, and then I'm going to stamp it down, which then creates this turtle image. I then have the turtle turn 180, so it's going to be facing to the left here, and it's going to go back the way it came. So it had gone forward 100, and then made a dash of a 10, and then gone forward 20. So I'm going to have it come back that way. So with the pen up, as you see here, it's going to go back 130, which will bring it back to this point, and then it's going to turn to the right 30 degrees, and then it's going to create. And then it's going to continue that 12 times. So if we run it, save that, and each time it's turning 30 degrees, and we know 30 degrees will create what we want, because 360 divided by 12 equals 30 degrees. And there we have it. So we have an image pretty close to the one we have listed there. Alright, so that's how I did it.